This is a geared tripod head, and I'm not sure how I survived so long shooting property without using one. And if you shoot this sort of photography too, I'm going to tell you why you should buy one too. The main feature of geared tripod heads is that you can make very micro precise adjustments, which is exactly what you need when shooting property or architecture, because you need your lines to be straight, so you can make tiny little micro adjustments and know you're going to get straight lines and you're not going to have to do much editing in post. I had previously used three-way heads before, but it wasn't a geared head, it was just one that you tightened up. And sometimes when you tightened it, it just knocked it off slightly. And when you got it back to Lightroom or Photoshop, wherever you're editing, sometimes it wasn't quite straight and you had to spend your time editing it. And with this, with those micro adjustments, you're pretty much going to get it straight all the time. And it's going to save you time when you're editing in post. There are also ball heads, which are a lot cheaper, but you're definitely not going to get the accuracy when using them, because as you move them, you can't make those micro adjustments, and often you're not going to get the straight lines, which this is always going to give you. In terms of ease of use, there is a little bit of a learning curve, but nothing that can't be learned in an afternoon. It is a bit slower to use just because it only makes micro adjustments, so instead of like the ball head or the other three-way head that I was saying, you can't move it too quick, but there is quick release handles here, so you can move it around fairly quickly. But if you're just shooting property or real estate architecture, you're not really going to be working at a fast pace anyway, so that's not really an issue. The main reason I'd never opted for a geared head tripod before is because of the price. These things are a lot more expensive than other tripod heads. The ball heads are the cheapest ones. As I say, you can probably get on Amazon for about £50, and then the three-way one that I had been using was about £70 or £80. That was a Manfrotto one. But this one, K&F Concept GD3W, it's about £200, which is quite a hefty markup, like double the price. There are other ones you can get for, I think about 150 quid, a Benro one, I think. But you are going to be paying a lot more. But to be honest, I'd wish I'd made the jump sooner, because it has just made my workflow so much better, and offering those micro adjustments, it's just made things so much easier to get those straight lines. All in all, using a geared tripod head has been a game changer for me, and I would thoroughly recommend it if you haven't used one yet. If you want to get this exact one, you can find it in the links below. This is a K&F Concept GD3W. It's really sturdy and I found it brilliant to use. And I've actually got it paired up with another K&F Concept tripod here, which is the K254A1, which is linked below too. And I got this for about £60 actually. So in all, it's about £270 to £300 the whole setup. So I think it's well worth the money and I thoroughly recommend it. If you want to see more videos, please hit the subscribe, like button and leave any comments below about your thoughts on geared tripod heads. Thanks for watching.